Welcome to this tutorial. This is how to bead it. I've beaded this too, so let's bead this one together. Okay, then beaded these two. Let's bead this one. What you need is beading needle. See the type of beading needle that I'm using is this one is size. They wrote it number 11. I think is the size. Is the size. Then this is the bead, crystal bead that I have that I'm using. I bought the pack like this. I've beaded my needle, my beading needle. I've threaded it. This is a thread, and I've gone ahead to knot it. Now watch very closely so that you will see what I'm doing. Watch very closely. This is the turban. Okay, now we're going to bead this side because this is the front side. You put your needle, push your needle inside. See, are you seeing what I'm doing? Push it inside so that this thread, the knot you made, will be hidden. Push from inside out. You draw it, then you count your beads. I'm counting 4 4. Four beads. You push it down the thread. Watch closely, you understand what I'm doing. As I've pushed it, then watch closely. I put it inside like so, and I bring it out. Then I draw my thread. Look at it. This is the first part. The second part, you pick the needle. I'm counting 4. Don't just do 8 stretches. If you do 8 stretch, you will not like the outcome. It will be bulky. It will swell up. I don't know how to explain it again. Then you push it like this. You can do 2 2, you can do 3 3, but don't exceed 4 or 5, please. Then you push it in and out. Look at it. Then to go over to the next line, from that place you came out, you push your needle, come out to the next line. Okay, look at it. Then you count 4 again. 1 2 3 4. Seeing it, you shift it in like so. Hold it down, then push your needle in. Push your needle in and out. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. In and out. Push your needle inside and out. Draw it very well so that it will be strong. Watch closely, you understand what I'm doing. Then you go back again. Count your bead. 4. You push it. Remember, you push inside and out. Inside and out. Hope you're understanding what I'm doing. Sorry, it just brought light. It was not light before, but I believe that you're seeing it. What I did initially, I threaded my needle. I threaded my needle and tied the knot. I threaded my needle and tied the knot. Then I pushed the needle from inside like this and come out so that the knot will be hidden. Then I counted 4 strands of bead, go in and out. Then counted another 4 strands of bead, go in and out, and turn to this side. Now you've gotten to this side. In order to switch to turn to this side, from where you come out, you shift again and come to this side. I hope you're seeing it. Then you carry your bead. You count out four beads, 4 seeds of beads. Sorry, it's not strand, I'm sorry, 4 seeds. Then you hold it very tight, hold it very tight, you go in like so and come out. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Look at it, look at it. Okay, beading is very easy. If you look at it, you will think it's complicated. Nah, it's not. It's very easy. And so next thing is to tie our needle, our knot, sorry, tie knot so that the thing will not move. Anyhow you know that you can tie your knot so that it will not move, you tie it like so. That is exactly what I'm doing. I'm tying my knot so that the thing will not loosen and fall out. So when I get to the part, like so, and I tie it very well. Okay, after tying it, cut out. Remember, I'm using my normal thread though. I use a normal thread. All this our polyester thread is what I used. Look at it. Look at what we beaded. Look at the ones I did before. Remember, this is the needle I used. Watch carefully. This is the beads I used, and I use a polyester thread. Look at it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, and stay glued to my channel for more tutorials on how to make hairband, how to sew any clothes of your choice. You can drop any of your questions in the comment section and I will answer you. Thank you once again for helping your girl to grow. Bye bye.